So, dual coding technique o dual coding learning technique. So, yung dual coding learning technique is yun yung ginagamit ng ating mga teachers lalo na sa primary level, meaning sa basic education primary level, meaning kindergarten, grade 1, grade 2, grade 3. So, yun yung ginagamit ng dual coding. It combines yung sinasabi ni teacher plus yung pictures, diagrams. Pictures, diagrams, or audio-visual. So, ibig sabihin yung audio, yung boses ni teacher na modulated, plus yung mga diagram, yung mga packet chart pang ginagawa dyan, di ba? So, again, ito yung pinaka most common kasi nadidinig mong sinasabi ng source which is yung sa teacher at may nakikita siyang diagram. Nabivisualize, nakikita niya kung ano yung sinasabi ni teacher. So, kung papasukan natin yan sa technology, isa yan sa pinaka-effective learning technique na pwedeng ipasok yung technology which is audio-visual. Ito yung term na audio-visual, yung dual coding learning technique. Yung dual coding learning technique, pag translate mo sa technology, it's audio-visual. So, dyan papasok yung technology, ang dual coding na yan. So again, another eduk vlog, no, na pinapasukan natin ng technology. So, yun lang pa.